Come on. Oh. I've seen butterflies on bluebells drinking in the dew. Cobwebs in the sunlight shining. I've seen them too. I've seen woodlands in the autumn, falling leaves of every shade and hue. I thought I knew what beautiful was, but now I've seen you. I've seen waterfalls cascading, sparkling in the light. Everybody dance their dance from morning till night. I was between the clouds and fade from you. I thought I knew what beautiful was, and now this is too bad. And I'm thinking of reactions, the missing one needed. A clear and starry night has nothing to compare with you. I've seen swallows in the summer wheeling overhead. I have seen the silver spinning past my head. I've seen the dark shadow of light painted sky, pink and blue. I thought I knew what beautiful was, and now I see you. I've seen you. Hey, not too bad for not singing that in 3 years. You can laugh at it with me if you want, because we're friends. We're friends, right? You and me, we're friends.